In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel site. By the end, your custom domain will point to your Vercel project and load your site just like any professional production setup. First, head to GoDaddy and get your domain. If you already own one, great. Make sure you can access the domain settings, specifically the DNS management area, because you'll likely need it shortly. If you're still choosing a name, pick something short, memorable, and relevant to your brand. Next, go to Vercel and open the project you want to use. You'll be working inside that project's settings, so once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the domain section. This is where all domain connections and configuration live for that specific project. You may see an option to buy a domain directly inside Vercel. That's convenient if you prefer keeping everything in one place. Since we're using a GoDaddy domain, you can simply continue without purchasing through Vercel. The connection process works smoothly either way. Click Add Domain. A modal will appear asking for the domain you want to connect. Type in your domain name exactly as you own it on GoDaddy. If you're connecting the root domain, enter it without any prefix. If you intend to use a subdomain, include that as well. Keep in mind that many teams prefer one canonical address, like the root or the WWW version, and handle the other with a redirect. You'll be prompted to connect the domain to an environment. Choose the one that matches your intent. Production for your live site, or preview if you're testing. This ensures Vercel knows which deployment to serve when someone visits your domain. You'll also see the option to redirect to another domain. Use this when you want one version, such as www, to forward to the root, or the other way around, so visitors always land on a single, consistent URL. It's a small step that helps with SEO and user experience. When everything looks correct, click Save. Vercel will validate the domain and display what's needed to finish the connection. If your domain is on GoDaddy, you may be shown DNS records to add, such as CNAME or A records. Copy those values exactly and apply them in your GoDaddy DNS settings. Changes can take time to propagate on the internet, often a few minutes, occasionally up to 24 hours. Be patient and avoid making rapid, repeated edits. Once propagation completes, visit your domain in the browser. If you set a redirect, test both versions to confirm they resolve to the same final address. With that, your GoDaddy domain is successfully connected to your Vercel site.